What's up, YouTube fam? It's your boy C-Spec Kurt, man. And you know, I've been digging, man. We on this Xbox Game Pass, right? All right, so check it out, man. I like playing Xbox Game Pass. I got the Samsung carbon case that, you know, that only covers half of your phone, where you can mount to sit on your desk. But it's nothing, now take for instance, this phone holder, I mean, you can play Game Pass like this, but who wants to play the Game Pass like this when you got a Fold 2, okay? All right, so letting the phone sit on the desk and hold the controller, that feels lame. It doesn't, it's just something about it. Being able to do this, it's a big difference, man. I'm telling you, big difference, major difference, okay? So, you know, I've been digging, you know, I got stuff all around the house. So I'm like, what could I use that I already got to make this work, okay? So just the other day, you know, this is my windshield mount. Just the type that got the gooey stuff on here and everything. So, you know, I'm sitting here thinking like, man, I just took this off. It's sitting in my truck, you know, cause when it's real hot, you know, it gets all gooey and it just slowly falls down. But you could use any, they don't have to be this tight, but magnetic, perfect for this, man. I'm telling you, it's perfect. All right, so what I'm gonna do is you can put it just like this, see, in its natural state. And I mean, this is a quick, it's a way that you can make this work, guys, and not have to spend a lot of money. All right, so I ordered this off of bestbuy.com. This right here, I believe, was 11 bucks, might be 11 bucks. This is the Moga Power A for Xbox wireless controllers, mobile gaming clip, okay? All right, so it's not gonna accommodate the Fold 2. It expands to fit phones up to 3.12 inches wide at 79 millimeters. All right, and which pretty much will basically require the removal of your cell phone case if you have one on there, okay? All right, so what I came up with, man, you just pop this baby on there and you don't even have to secure it, to be honest, but you could use a zip tie. But I mean, you just use what you already got. You don't have to be doing all this molding and stuff like that, man. It's like, wow, I was getting ready to order one from the dude on eBay that makes them over in the UK. But I'm like, shit, all that money for shipping, the price of it and everything is just not worth it. So I'm like, what could I use that I already got? So this is what I got. So with it like this, I can put it however I want. Then move this about like I want to. All right, now you want to mount the magnet onto your cell phone in a good location. You want to make sure it's on there good. All right, so you want to clean the surface with an alcohol wipe. So let's go ahead and clean that now. All right, gang, check it out. We got some 91% isopropyl rubbing alcohol, you know, that hand sanitizer, you know. But anyway, we're gonna take this alcohol, we're gonna dab a little bit on this paper towel right here. Just dab a little bit, dab on them. You feel what I'm saying? Like that right there, right there. Gonna take this baby right over here. Gonna clean that cell phone off right there. So what's good about this magnetic clip is that it's still low profile enough to be able to put this on there. That's where my previous clip was, I guess. Yeah, it is where it was at. It's still showing that. It's cool, huh? So we're gonna clean this thing real good, okay? Really, really good. Wanna get all that oil and stuff off of there. All right, gang, so that should be nice and clean, okay? All right, so next we're gonna pull this little protective cover off of this thing right here. All right, so we got that off. All right, guys, so we're gonna place this on the phone in an upright position. So aesthetically, it looks pretty good, okay? You don't want it looking ugly on there and whatnot, so. You got this on there like this. All right, crew, check it out right there. I done pressed it. You know, I've been working it from the middle, working it on the outside, you know, I'm trying to hit it from all sides, you know, get that thing on there, make sure it's laid on there proper. All right, so this is what we're gonna do right here. Gonna open your cell phone up. Now, at this point, we should be ready to power it up and commence to getting some gaming equipment. Okay, so let's go ahead and power our controller on right here. Got our controller powered up, okay? So with this going on, we shouldn't have to worry about our screen getting hit by anything or any of that type of stuff. It's gonna be out of the way. I'm gonna put this one like so, like that. Let's see how it goes, okay? All right, guys, see? Now what's great about this is your phone isn't directly up so it can slide down or anything. I mean, it's secure and it's clean. See that? It's holding its position pretty firm. And I haven't even secured this yet, guys. I mean, that's what's great about this sticky gel stuff. It actually holds real good, okay? But I am gonna secure this. I'm gonna put a zip tie across here, like so, and a zip tie across here, just to keep it on there, okay? Because I hate for it to be in some high heat and the temperature just cause it to fall down. But as you can see though, look at that, voila. Everything is holding real tight. Look at that. I don't hear anything going on. It's holding, guys. All right, so let's see what the gaming experience is like. All right, so we got it starting up right here. All right, guys, this is what we got. Got the mobile gaming clip from Moga. I ordered it from Best Buy for a few bucks. And you can pick up one of these from Best Buy, Walmart. It's just a little window suction cuppy thing. See, you got the little suction thing there, but it's got the gel stuff on it like that. And as you can see, it's holding real nice, guys. It's holding real good. That doesn't matter because it doesn't have any suction. It's only being held strictly by that gel. All right, so, I mean, if I continue to stay like this for a prolonged period of time before securing it, it will eventually fall over because you can see right there where the weight of it is forward. So before we start gaming, I'm gonna show you, go ahead and show you how we're going to go ahead and secure this thing with some zip ties, okay? So before we start playing, let me grab those zip ties and I'll be right back to you. All right, crew, I got my zip tie. I'm trying the smallest one first to see if it'll work with no problem, which I believe it's gonna work with no problem. So it'll be a cleaner install. And the only thing we have to do is just go across the top and the bottom the way it's looking so far. As you can see, we can go right above the clip here, but we're gonna have to go with a different one because it's not gonna, as you can see, the clips for this small one are all the way up here and that's not gonna reach. So we're gonna have to go with the next size up. Heavy duty ones, guys, which is what you wanna make sure you have for something like this. You don't want a little zip tie failing on you, okay? So we're gonna put it around like so. Get it in between the little hooks on the top of the Moga grip. Tighten it on up, just like so. See, the only downside to this though, guys, is it can slip right off. But well, no it's not. You tighten it down good, it's gonna stay. Okay, so let's go ahead and tighten it down. There we go. So what we just did is we caused it to slide down, but when we put one over here, it's gonna put force against that, and it's gonna keep it in place. So let's grab another zip tie. Put this one here, just like so. There we go. All right, so that's putting pressure against it, forcing it back up. But I could apply enough force to this where it would cause it to slip through. So what I could go ahead and do is, instead of putting it through the bottom like this, put it through this one right here, which will keep it from coming out this way at the top, as well as force this one to go around to cover more area to keep it secure. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. I'm gonna cut this bottom one off, and I'm gonna start over and go about it the other way. So let's do that. For anybody inquiring, this here is a Leatherman multi-purpose tool. Yes, it is cool. They got the scissors on it and everything. Let's see. I need to clean them up because the spring isn't forcing it back like normal. But it'll do the job to cut this off. At least it should. And voila, just like so. All right, so we're gonna get another clip, a zip tie. Now you wanna take the zip tie and you wanna bring it through here, and we'll bring it around the bottom like so. Is it big enough to fit? Let's hope so. All right, so what we're doing here is we're creating a little holder. Hopefully it's enough room to grab, and then we can commence to securing it from the front. Not quite enough. All right, so all right, guys, I was able to pull it enough to get it to secure it. Let's in doing so, it forced it to open up some. Now, why did it do that? It pulled it toward it. Okay, because I'm forcing this zip tie in between it, which is forcing it open. I don't really want to do that. I'd rather that it stay rested on the bottom, but either way, it's still secure. So this is actually more secure now, so no need to complain. But at this point, the only thing I want to do now is clip my zip ties off, like so, just to clean up the install. Booyah, over there. Cut this one off. Over there. And that there, guys, is a secure Xbox controller mount. All right, and it's pretty clean. Look at that. It's not going nowhere. It gives you the versatility to turn it however you want to turn it. All right, and it's still mobile. I mean, look at it. I mean, you can't complain about that. You feel me? So anyway, this is your boy, man, C-Spec Kurt, and I just want to come to you and just show you this most awesome contraption that I just made here, guys. Just out of stuff I already had lying around the house. All right, Let's see, I got the door closed here. My Wi-Fi signal is crap, probably. So, yeah, I'm not gonna even trip about that because it's not even about that. This is about the mount. So I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, you can get this at Best Buy. You can probably pick this up at Walmart or anywhere that got a suction cup magnetic mount. It's a squish mount, one of them squish, whatever it's called, squish. They got simple ones also. You get a simple. This could be simple or a Scoosh, S-C-H-O-S something. But anyway, just check them out, magnetic mount, man. Go on Amazon, order you one, and you can make this happen with whatever you got at the house already. Check that out. Ain't that cool, guys? It's not sliding down, so no need to worry about that. Still get our game on. Let's see. Let me open the door so you guys can see this. All right, so now you can see this at work. Got us a Wi-Fi signal. Let's start the race. All right, gang, check it out. Oh man, we about to be. Oh man, ooh. All right, gang, as you can see, we playing, no problem at all. Nothing is sliding. Ooh, let's rewind that. Ooh. Yo, man, it's your boy C-Spec Kurt, man. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like, a share, and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be bringing more gaming content, man. As you can see, I got my monitor set up right here. I'm going to start coming to you with the gaming. I got my desktop computer. I got the Alienware laptop. I'm going to be showing you some Alienware gaming on the laptop, Game Pass gaming on the mobile, gaming right here on the desktop, man. We're going to be gaming everywhere. I got the Game Pass Ultimate, so we're going to be gaming Xbox on all consoles, man, all platforms coming to you, man. Like, share, sub. It's your boy C-Spec Kurt, man, and I'm out of here. Peace.